What it is, what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new and lost in the sauce and do not know who I am, it's cool. I am Cassandra Liz. Welcome. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click that little red button up on the top, and make sure you guys click the bell right beside it just to get future post notifications every single time I post a new video. In today's video, I created this beautiful cut crease bronzy look. If you guys got somewhere to go on Thanksgiving and just want to show out, show cara, pop out, you know, you got to show out at these family gatherings sometimes because you never know who's there. And yeah, this is for you. So without further ado, let's just hop into this video. So first things first, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in the shade Granite and filling in any sparse areas on my eyebrows, mainly in this one eyebrow because the hair in the bottom is literally taking forever to grow in. But I am very pleased with how far my eyebrows have come, so just filling those bad boys in. So now just using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, I just like to clean up underneath my eyebrows as well as the top of them because it just gives it that illusion of a fresh ass eyebrow. It's just so crisp and pretty, you know? So that's what I do for my brows. Damn it, I forgot to wear my damn beauty blender. Using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer that I just cleaned up my eyebrows with, I like to apply that onto my lids and just kind of use that as a eyeshadow base. It really helps my shadows pop and stay in place. So now I'm just using the damped beauty blender and blending that all out. Okay, so now I'm just taking the Dose of Color, the Desi times Katy Friendcation palette, and I'm just using basic cheens, necessary, and just a kiss. And throughout this video or this part, you guys will see exactly how I apply it into my crease and just gradually build color while still blending to the T. I will say that these shadows are so pigmented and so hard to blend, but I made it work. I made it work. Guys, when I say I don't miss nothing, I got all of this here. And then they just went across the street. Look at them. Y'all can see them over there. Like, what the fuck is even going on? And 2 police just came in too. This is wild. This is crazy. And I'm still looking out my window like, yo, what the hell happened? Now here I'm just taking a makeup remover wipe and just cleaning out any fallout. Now going into the Instant Age Rewind Concealer again, I'm going to apply some to my lids, and then looking up like that really helps me determine where I should be cutting my crease and how high. I do have a lot of lid space, and this does take a lot of practice. As you guys can see, I even had to switch brushes. I will recommend that using a flat eyeshadow brush really helps you cut the crease. I am no professional, but I think I did my thing. What y'all think? Comment down below. Going back into the Dose of Color Friendcation palette, I'm just taking basic and adding that below my cut crease. So only on my lid and just blending that and packing that shadow on. For a moment, I was like, man, this is not going to be a look. But now watching this, like, that cut crease is good. Like, that cut crease is real nice. Mírala. Okay, girl, I see you. So now I'm just taking the Morphe Gel Liner. This is in the shade Jet. This is my absolute kryptonite. I am a major fan of these gel liners by Morphe. I used to be a big fan of the felt tip ones, and I'm just so over that. So right now I'm just creating a winged liner just because I feel like it is a necessity when applying some dramatic lashes. Like, it just makes a major difference. So that's what I'm doing here. Alexa, play Future.
Here's a station for you based on Future on Amazon Music.
Now using my favorite Maybelline Superstay foundation and a damped beauty sponge and just blending that all out. So as you guys can see, I was hella jamming to this Whitney Houston. I'm still in shock because I had Future playing, so I don't know where this Whitney Houston came about. But anyways, so right here I'm just using a very thin brush and just on my cut crease only to make it pop more. I'm using the darker brown shadow called Chuto in that same palette and just outlining that cut crease so that it pops. So now here I'm just using the Lorac Pro Contour Palette and contouring exactly how I contour in every single video of mine. Here I'm just taking this Ofra blush palette. This was gifted to me and I'm just going into this beautiful, like a pinky nude blush. And naturally I have very bright pink cheeks. It's just what I was born with. So I'm just applying some color back up into my life because I was looking hella pale. You guys, I was really jamming to that Return of the Mac. That's like a childhood classic of mine, mainly the beat. But anyways, I have a question for you guys. And comment down below, am I bodying this word? Is it number 1, Ofra, or number 2, Afra? Comment down below because I feel like I sound hella dumb that I cannot pronounce this word of this cosmetic. I am so sorry. Killing me softly. I need to see Lauryn Hill live. Like, can she already perform live? Like, you guys, and it was that moment where I totally forgot that I did not apply any concealer. So here I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and just applying that under my eyes and using the same damp beauty blender to blend that all out. Now, my favorite part, you guys can totally skip this, but I'm using the airspun loose powder and just baking under my eyes, applying some on my nose, and I reverse contour with this. Still the same, nothing's changed. Here I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. And I'm just applying some more contour to this face or just contouring a bit more just because I felt like after baking, it started to fade and I wanted to look a little bit more bronzier. So that's what I'm doing here. Going in with the Rose Water and Glycerin by Heritage Store, spraying this all over my face and just setting my face. Now here I'm just taking the Morphe liner in the shade Bite Me and just outlining my lips. Now taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills, this is Ashton liquid lipstick. This is very, very matte. So I will say moisturize the hell out of your lips. Big or small, it does not matter. Moisturize. So here's a little hack of mine. I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and just clean up around my lips. I find that it just gives it that extra crisp, pouty lip. Going back into the Dose of Color Friendcation palette, I'm just applying the shade Churro to my lower lash line. Here I'm just taking Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline and just applying some to my lower lashes just because I felt like on top it was hella heavy and on the bottom it was just so plain Jane. So just adding some mascara to change that up. Using this Ofra highlighter, I'm just going to be using the goldy shades in the bottom and just applying that to my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, as well as my brow bones. Okay, you guys, and this is the completed look. I went with a cut crease just because, I mean, from what I can remember, I don't even think I've done a cut crease here on my channel. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this look. And if you guys recreate, you guys already know, make sure to tag me on the gram. I'm going to link it right here. It is also in my description box. Make sure you guys tune in for anything coming up. My birthday is literally 4 days away and I am hella excited. I'm gonna be 28. Like, it's just so unreal, but life has been very good to me and I am always so grateful and thankful. Thank you guys all so much for the love and support. It never goes unnoticed. And yeah, until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video.